Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's one of your favorite product reviewers here. Bareface, no makeup, in the flesh, okay? Normally my eyebrows are done and put together, but this video is a eyebrow grooming video. Embrace this moment, because this is a rare moment. So in this video, we are trying Finishing Touch Flawless Brows. Normally I get my eyebrows done. I usually get it threaded, and since COVID happened, I have completely stopped going to the beauty salon, to the hair salon, to the nail salon, all of that. So your girl has been doing a lot of things on her own at home. I know I'm not the only one who has mastered a lot of new skills during this pandemic for different services that, you would normally have someone do for you. But anyways, I'm excited to try this product. I'm telling you, when I saw this, I knew I needed it. Cause look at this, look at my eyebrows. They look crazy. Like I have bushy and very curly eyebrows. Like my eyebrows just wanna my eyebrows in its natural state is just crazy. So I've been trying to maintain the shape of my eyebrow on my own with this and this, okay? So today we are going to try this product, right? And still use these tools because I'm pretty sure we're going to need this anyway. Oh, and I've also used this little trimmer. So these three guys, I almost left one out. These three babies have been holding it down all pandemic, okay? So now we are also going to maybe incorporate this in our eyebrow grooming routine. Who knows? I'm trying this for the first time. So we are going to see if this product will help the whole process. Using these three products have yet to fail me. Hopefully adding this to the routine will make things faster, and I might even knock out a couple of things. See, this I use for my eyes. I have it labeled. I have like a bunch of these. Some of them I use for my lace, for other areas of my skin, and they're all labeled. So this product is by Kiss. This little brush is by Elf. And these are just plain scissors. Okay, so without further ado, let's open this bad boy, see if it works, see if it can be added to the routine. Let's go. Okay, when you open the package, this is what you see. It comes with a cleaning brush. This is the product, batteries, and that's pretty much it. Okay, let's look at the instruction manual. Okay, insert the battery, switch on, and the light will turn on. You can use this on clean, dry skin. Okay, cool. I think we're good to start. We are good to go. So, this is the tool. Pretty cute. Let's remove the lid. So we are gonna open this. So this is the gadget. You have the on switch right here. Okay, so let's add the battery, and then the battery chamber is right here. Let's go ahead and add the battery in this way, right? Boom. And then add the bottom. There we go. And it's connected. So when I turn on the on switch, the light should come on. Turn it on. The little light turns on to let you know that it's activated. Okay. This thing is no joke. This feels like the same power as a nail file, an electric nail file to be specific. I'm very interested in how this little utensil is going to get all of my hair. I guess the hair will fall into the little groove openings and it'll fall inside of it. So very interesting. Okay, let's try this bad boy. So I'm gonna pull you in a little closer, do a little zoom zoom so you can see the whole brow area. I know, there's hair all over the place. It's time, the hair has to go. It's been a while since I've removed the hair. I've been waiting for this moment to where I grew enough hair to do this video just for you. But anyways, let's zoom in on the madness. So hopefully this is close enough because this is the closest it's going to get for my camera. So what I'm going to do first is brush my eyebrow hairs up into place. I have a little mirror here, so if you see me looking down, I'm looking down at my little mirror. So I'm just gonna brush this up. See, we got plenty of hair right here, so hopefully this little gadget can handle that, okay? Oh yeah, you see that. You see my baby hair right here, and then all the hair in this area, and then my bush of an eyebrow. And then the other side, same story, right? So let's start with the right side. I'm going to do circular motions in the area so that it can grab all of the hair that it can. So let's see. I'm gonna turn it on. All right, let's go. Okay, let's see. Wow, it actually worked. Shut the front door. Okay, okay. So all the hair that was in this area is gone. I didn't go close to my edges and baby hair. I didn't do that. We're saving that for another video and another beauty tool. But as far as my brow area, it is smooth, okay? Smooth. And the hair is gone. So you see the other side? See what we're working with? Just a little bit of hair. You can see it. Just a little bit of hair. But I'm liking this product. So while I was using it, it didn't hurt at all. I barely felt anything. I would have thought that nothing was happening until I saw that the hair was gone. So the hair was there before. Now after, it is gone. It cleaned it up pretty well. It did. I don't see any missing spots at all. This basically eliminated this step. Normally I would use this little eyebrow shaver to clean up the area. The case is still on, but I would use it to clean up the area, you know, do this, a little bit of this and a little bit of that, but I don't even need to use this. So I can use this for something else other than my eyes. So cool, that works. I will use this until I can't use this anymore. So that's what's up. It works. So let's brush up my eyebrow hairs again and get any stray hairs that are on the bottom of my eyebrow. I barely see anything, but I'll just do this area. I don't want the hair in this area to be really gone, just really at the tail end of my eyebrow. Okay, I think I'm good. So other than that, since we are here, finish the eyebrow grooming process. So I brush all the hairs up and cut all the hair that is above this line. And then we do the same with the tail end and cut all the hair above that line. And just brush them down. Then cut the ends of the eyebrow hairs aligned with your desired brow shape. Let's go ahead and clean up the tail end over here. And that's pretty much it. That's what I normally do to groom my eyebrows in addition to trying this product. So I think we could do this. I definitely think I can add this product into my eyebrow grooming routine. See, my eyebrow looks better. Like, you know, I'm not a professional, okay? But this is what I've had to do to hold it down, okay? I fill in my eyebrows with my pomade. You guys know that I love my pomade. So if I mess up my eyebrows during this grooming step, it's all good because when I slap the pomade on, I give myself eyebrow, okay? So whatever eyebrow that I lost, took in excess, overtook, you know, from taking too much hair out that I probably should have kept, not even worried about. It's all good because I'm going to give myself eyebrows back, okay? So it's all good in the neighborhood, okay? So let's do the other side. I'm actually happy. Can you guys tell? I like this product. So again, I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows. We are going to clean around this area. You see all my little baby hairs right here. These are my baby hairs from my edges. And then you see all this whole area has hair. So let's go ahead and tame that area, okay? Let's brush it up and get the bottom hairs that we don't want. Okay, completely smooth. My whole above my eyebrow area is cleared out. I left this area because we have another tool to try. That's gonna be in another video, so stay tuned. But anyways, this product, it works. So if you definitely see it in stores or online, or if you're interested, I will have this product listed for you down in the description box. Let's go ahead and finish off my brows with my usual steps. Brush this up. Eyebrows got super long. Just to trim the hair because it is long. My eyebrow hairs are super curly, and that can be a hassle. You see that one hair, this one? It has gone rogue. It just wants to be away from the rest of the colony. So we're gonna get rid of that one. Let's see if we could catch it. And we got it! Be gone! Now, you see, that's what happens when you don't want to go with the other friends. You stick with the flock, okay? Or else you get cut. I think we're good. I think my eyebrows look good. They look better than before, I tell you that. I'm seeing a little bit of redness. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I'm seeing things. I don't know, but my eyebrows look a little red, but that's okay. Normally, whenever I would go to the henna salon, my eyebrows would be red in the area, or it'll be light because there was hair there, and when the sun hits your face, the hair is blocking that area from getting, you know, tanned. So I think we're good. My eyebrows are definitely groomed and more manageable. So whenever I apply my pomade to give me eyebrows back, because I know I have sparse eyebrows at the tail end for some reason, but it's all good because if you don't have eyebrow, you can make eyebrow, okay? And then you will have eyebrow. So the beauty and the power of makeup. But yeah, these are my eyebrows. I am satisfied with the end result for me. I'm happy with this new item that I am now incorporating into my routine. So I'm a happy camper. Everything about makeup makes me happy, you know. I'm not hard to please at all. Definitely try this, guys, if you haven't already. I encourage it. It doesn't hurt to try. It never hurts to try. So if it doesn't work for you or you don't like it, return that bad boy. That's what I do. There's nothing wrong with returning something and getting your money back, okay? Because if it's not a good investment, why invest in it at all, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it for this tool. I've used it for what I needed to get done. So mission accomplished. I would say this tool is the equivalent of tweezers. This is your girl Sheila. She's my tweezers. This is actually the first tweezer that I ever got, and my mom bought this for me, and I still have it to this very day. She got it from the hair salon, but this is Sheila. I used to use her, but I don't use her anymore to pluck because I don't like plucking. Plucking kind of hurts, you know. I can take threading, which is weird, but plucking is just too tedious. It takes too long, and you really have to be way too precise with plucking. So this is basically an electronic tweezer, okay? Basically, instead of using this, right, something like Sheila, you can use this, okay? So let's go ahead and clean out the hair from the little chamber. There's a chamber that caught all of the hair that we removed, basically. So it says you're supposed to twist it off. Okay, this is the little hair chamber. There's only a little bit of hair in this thing. So this is the little brush that they give you. And we are going to sweep it out. Don't worry, I have a little plate underneath, so we're not just sweeping it out and it's just going all over the place. No, we're catching the hair. So clean that, and then clean out the hair from here. And we're good. We're going to pop this bad boy back on. Oh, that was easy. And that's it. Put the lid back on too. And we're ready for the next use. Overall, I'm rating this product a 10 out of 10. I didn't find any issues with it. It was easy to use. It was easy to turn on. Everything about this product was just simple, okay? It got the job done. It cleared out the unwanted hair above my eyebrow and beneath it. It got that little slice of a corner right there. This side is not as crispy. User error, but this side is pretty crispy. So definitely try this product if you get a chance. If you see it on sale, go ahead and add it to the cart, okay? That is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial slash demo. Give this video a thumbs up for your girl. Comment down below in the comments if you have any questions. All the product details will be down in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There will be more beauty tools coming your way. I promise you, I love gadgets. So your girl is going to buy them and we are going to try them and we are going to talk about it, okay? So you don't want to miss it. You know, I got all the tea. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.